Today, a bit of an experiment. We bought this bay tree when it was this tall. It grew up, it did well, and then all of a sudden, right before the weather got warm again, the leaves dried up. We're trying to resurrect it. There's some signs of hope that we might succeed here. This tree has been through a lot. It's been about 10 years since we bought it. It's fallen down the stairs of our deck twice and still survived, so its will to live is strong. We just need to help it out a little bit. There's some things growing up around the base, and I'm taking that as a good sign. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to certainly give it a try. That's where it broke when it fell down the stairs. Just trim it all down, and I'll show you what it looks like after we're done. There's the cut branches, and there is the center of the tree with signs of hope. Let's see how it does. It's been a month since we cut all the dead branches back, and the bay leaf tree is thriving. We have it under a shaded sail, so it's not direct sunlight, and we're making sure we don't over water it. It looks like the bay leaf tree is coming back strong. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of gardening tips, gardening solutions, home repairs, designs of all kinds, baking and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what recovery projects you're gonna see.